Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'll show you the how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you wanna add here some icons or change their positions or to remove some of them, we should click to this added icon, and just as we can see, to add our this invisible icons we should click on these pluses on the right upper corner of each of the icon. So just by this way. If you want to remove some of them, you just should click on this minuses, and just to change the position of the icons we should hold and then just drag the icon by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple, and to save the changes we should click to go to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.